Good morning. This is Rick with the Morning Quick Shot, brought to you by Trade Stockers and ninZa Pro Traders. It is August 11th. It's about 7 o'clock Central Standard Time, and we're going to take a look for the next 5 minutes at targets to the upside, targets to the downside, possible areas of consolidation, and then we're going to take a look at market profile for the overall big picture. So let's get started and see what happened after yesterday's drop in oil and the market following after for quite a while down to the 67 level. Looks like we reopened right here at the 72.50 level and then moved right. It did barely a little bit of drop to our overnight low at 70, looked like 70. Yep, about even 70 even there, and then right up into the 79 level. So try to recover, come right back down to this zone right here in the 24 VWAP, right to the open, you know, the 72.50. And since that time, we have just kind of worked our way right back. We're currently double topping and then getting a retracement here. See how far we're going to retrace. So where do we go today? First of all, we got news this morning at 7:30. Thursday, we got unemployment claims, we got import prices, and then at 9 o'clock a.m. Central, at 9 o'clock Central, we got the mortgage delinquencies. So from right here, let's assume this is a pullback at this level, pull back to this FIB support right here, or it'll actually pull all the way back into this 24 VWAP here at 75.50 area. Let's see what happens. We've got a little bit of a structure right here. So if it's just a retracement, maybe just right into here and then right back up. We need to break this 79 level, close above it, somewhere around 80, maybe even up to yesterday's high of 81.50 and then come back down and retest this 79 level before we head up to the next zone. So let's say that's exactly what we're going to do. Going to hit this right here at 77, push right back up, work our way up to the 80, 150 area, pull back into this zone, and then straight up into 84, 83 area zone, this whole zone right up in here. Now after that, going to look for a pullback again to retest the we're in high of 81.50 and then push back up if the market's going to stay in control with the bulls and drive straight up into this area. Of course, this is all going into more unknown territory, so we just got to be real cautious with this as we move up. And possible zone up today is the 92, 93. If we can get up into the zone level, look for pullbacks to the 90 area and before going up. Now, market profile all the way up to this 94 high, okay, up to 94. This is where we're going to go for our next target for today. So a big run here from 84 to 94, but the bulls really have to step in and shrug off this oil and make a few things happen. So we get up into the zone right in this area, look for the reversal in this area, possibly even to test all the way down to 84 again, and then right back up. Somewhat with some stuff we held yesterday. So just be cautious. This is a big area, so be cautious in it. Now let's take a look here at 94. If we get to this area, say we just only get a few point pullback into this 91, say, and it crosses back up here, look for it to go into this 91, start pushing towards 2200 in this area. Possible pullback after that into the 94s, retesting it, and back up into there for a lot of consolidation in this area late this afternoon, if we can get there and hold. Now, let's say the Bulls don't win this battle, Bears take back over. We come back down, look for this to move all the way down below this 24-hour VWAP and down to the open again at 2172. At this point, look for a good fight, possibly and go right back in the log scenario, just where we started from, but wait for cross the top of this zone, enter into trades to the long side. Now, if we come down here at 60, at 71, at the 72.50, excuse me, this morning, 72.50 area and close below, look for it to go to the overnight low of 70, possibly even crash through this and go all the way into yesterday's low 67.75 again and retest this. Strong support right here. We need to hold this. If we fail this zone, we may be looking for some extended downward movement. Uh, but look for it to come back with hits this 67, retest this 70. If it fails to cross back above it, or it might even be able to get enough power to push right up here 72 and then come right back down into this area. And if we can get it close below this 67, look for a move down to 65 area, some consolidation in here, back up to retest the 67, and then drive right down to the 60 area, 57, into these big areas. So be cautious of this movement down. It could get some downward movement and it could just not stop. So let's take a look at the market profile for just a quick second. And here we go, this is the 4-hour chart. Let's take a look real quick at the overall daily. So daily, you can see what we did again. We punched down to this 41 and now we've just gone all the way back up. Kind of a tweezer top right here at the 83.50, which I think we're heading for today. So we're just gonna be real cautious. We got a little bit of pullback, regrouping. We're still slightly in a downward trend. Overall bullish. Okay, this market is bullish despite what we see going on. So just keep an eye on that and look for the break to this 80, the 83 today and on up to 87. And then 99 is the next target up for that. Okay, we've talked about these for weeks now. A little bit different picture on a 4-hour chart. Initial targets here at 85 due to Fibonacci. And you can see we just pulled back to the 67 yesterday. Was good support. And we're right back up here into the 77 little area here. So looks like we could move right up into this 85. But just be cautious of this area as we talked about. Let's drill down just a little bit more. And you can see this on a 30-minute chart with market profile. Look at where the volume has come out. Look at where the market has went with the value high and low area. This area here, this has gone right here to 82, hitting these numbers just perfectly as we watch it. So market profile does work. Let's keep an eye on the market here. Again, 82 up into here, value high 83.50, and then moving on up to 85 area from the other one. If you have any questions, contact Frank at tradestalkers.com and have a great day.